Welcome back, guys. I thought I should show you how to make a healthy version of okra soup. This okra soup is going to be prepared without addition of oil. This is how I choose to enjoy my okra soup whenever I want something very simple and quick. We are going to be making oilless okra soup with goat meat. I have enough goat meat here, so let me show you the ingredients I'll be using. I have here some fresh okra, I have here goat meat, fresh mackerel, dried catfish, 1 bulb onion, ground crayfish, salt, some stock cubes, scotch bonnet, and lastly I have uziza leaves. I'll be using uziza. You can choose to use floated pumpkin. I love uziza leaf because it is hot and flavorful, so the soup is going to taste more like pepper soup. Now into a medium pot, I'm going to combine the goat meat. I'll quickly chop in the onions. Season this with 2 stock cubes. A sprinkle of salt. Then I'll add in some crushed pepper. Quickly mix this up and place this on heat to cook. You will need to add a little water to the contents so it helps it to boil, and also you can use stockfish and other meat if you want. These are just the few ones I had at home. While the goat meat is cooking, I'll quickly chop the okra and the uziza leaf. I have this vegetable chopper. It is what I always use to chop my vegetable. It makes the work easier and simple for me. So I'm going to add in the okra into it a little at a time. Then up we go. Now the okra is ready and also the uziza is ready, so I'm going to push everything and keep aside. Remember to add more water to the meat to extract more stock for the soup. Once the meat is almost cooked, add the fish and also the dried catfish. I had to remove the bones. You're going to cover this again and bring it to a boil. After cooking the fish for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take this out for now. I don't want the fish to scatter while I'm stirring the soup. Now I'm going to add in the chopped okra. Follow in with the ground crayfish, more stock cubes, just enough to taste. I'm going to stir this so everything combines, then test for salt and pepper. If there's any need for pepper and salt, I'm going to adjust. To add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this, just a little bit, and lastly I'll add in the uziza leaf, just a little bit to pop up the color, not much. After adding this, just give it a stir and return the boiled fish. After stirring this, you're going to leave this to cook for 5 minutes. And your oilless okra soup is ready. Your oilless okra soup is ready. You can enjoy this with your favorite swallow. I love to enjoy this with pounded yam. I hope to see you soon. Don't also forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Have a great and a wonderful Christmas celebration. Bye.